Laura Nickerson giving you the buzz on local news and events. Well, look behind me. The Los Virgenes Creek project is done, and man, did it get an impressive makeover. The almost 10-year project has come to a close, so let's check it out while I fill you in on the buzz. This place is your baby. You're the one who gave it such an incredible facelift. What exactly did you do?
We restored 1.5 acre of the creek, built 1.5 mile of multi-purpose trail, planted 1,015 oak trees and 160 willows. And in addition to that, we created a small pocket park, which we call Creek Overlook across from the Anza Park.
This is called the missing link. What's that?
There is a map of networks of walking and equestrian trail within our region, going from Malibu all the way to Simi Valley. There was a missing link between Lost Hills Road and north of 101 freeway. With this trail, we created that connection between the two networks of trails.
So you can ride your bike or your horse or just walk all the way from Simi to Malibu.
That is correct. And we can pass by our trail either on the upper trail, which is equestrian trail, or on the lower trail, which is natural.
There's a ribbon cutting ceremony coming up to welcome this into the neighborhood. When is that?
It's going to be on Tuesday, April 2nd at 4 p.m. here at this small pocket park across from the Anza Park.
You can see that the area is starting to recover from the Woolsey fire. I mean, look at all this beautiful flora and fauna. It's like nature's just showing off. And you can come and celebrate our unique environment at the Earth Day Festival and Green Expo. The City of Calabasas Earth Day celebration is a free event focusing on education, celebration, and action. Come see for yourself on Saturday, April 13th from 2 to 5 p.m. at the Los Virgenes Creek site on Agora Road. There are fun exhibits, kids' activities, and lots of great information on turning and staying green. You should definitely go and get a little green-spiration. Oh, let's make that a thing, okay? Hashtag Greenspiration. Mountains Restoration Trust is a great organization working to help preserve our local habitat. And there's a way you can help out. In fact, it's just over yonder. On Saturday, April 6th from 9 a.m. to noon, join Mountains Restoration Trust for a morning outdoors at Juan Bautista de Anza Park. They'll be working to restore the native grasslands in the West Foothills by planting native Southern California plants. Registration is free but required, so reach out at volunteer@mountainstrust.org or call MRT at 818-591-1701 extension 203. You'll feel great about yourself if you go, and you'll feel great about our natural grasslands. And in local news, the Carl Gibbs Environmental Excellence Award was presented to two organizations. The first is the Environmental Defenders Program, a program that brings a high-energy assembly program to LA elementary schools, teaching students to identify environmental issues and take action. The second is Mr. Cooper from Cooper Ecological Monitoring Incorporated. He's a local expert on the flora and fauna of the Santa Monica Mountains and assisted the city in developing plans to avoid impacts to rare wildlife species as a part of the Los Virgenes Creek Restoration Project. Congratulations to the Calabasas High School Academic Decathlon team for bringing home 5th place at the California State Decathlon 2019. The top two winners were local as well, with Woodland Hills El Camino High School taking home 2nd place and Granada Hills Charter High School taking home the grand prize. The City Council made a proclamation honoring March 31st through April 6th as Safety Seat Checkup Week. That makes this week a good time to make sure your car's child seat is installed properly and securely. The CHP and LAPD both will perform checks of your child's safety seat on request. And that's our local news. Want to get involved with the federal Census 2020? Well, there's a great opportunity for you. The California State Auditor's Office is beginning the process of forming California's 2020 Citizens Redistricting Commission. The commission will redraw the boundaries of the Congressional, State Senate, State Assembly, and State Board of Equalization districts so that the districts correctly reflect the state's population. To apply, visit shapecaliforniasfuture.auditor.ca.gov. The open application period is from June 10th to August 9th. It's that time of year again. Time to have some fun with your kids at Egg Stream, the City of Calabasas' big egg hunt. It's taking place at De Anza Park on Saturday, April 13th from 9 a.m. to noon. Bring the kids so they can have food and fun and, of course, the best egg hunt in town. See you there. There's some changes coming to Calabasas that you need to know about.
Yes, effective April 30th of this year, the use of plastic straws, plastic cutlery, and plastic stirrers are going to be banned in Calabasas. All restaurants that use these items should replace them with alternative products. We are distributing 100,000 free paper straws to businesses that are going to be affected with this ban. We have dedicated a web page to this ban. The City of Calabasas website, you can get more information, including flyers and a copy of the ordinance.
The Las Virgenes Creek Restoration Project is really cool, and it's done. And you should come out and take a look for yourself. It is absolutely, dare I say it, greenspirational. Hashtag greenspirational. I'm Laura Nickerson, and I'll see you soon right here on The Buzz.